everybody, my name is Earl Puppy and I just wanted to make a more in-detail tutorial on how to tag files and then put them into your Spotify local files without the use of iTunes. So we're going to be using this file as an example. This one right here. We're going to drag that in here. This is a easy little free to use application called MusicBee. You could tag files, re-encode files, so you could turn it from like a WAV file to MP3. It's very useful. And you could also remove and edit tags in this. So we're gonna remove the track in disc 1, and then you can see very clearly it says Canon Lone. So we're just gonna put 100 shots featuring Destroy Lonely. And then if we put this here, I'll tag it with an artist. If you want to get a little more sorted, you can just also add album artist Ken Carson. And this is from the A Great Chaos sessions. And this was made in 2023. So we're gonna add the year and stuff there. The genre you can put as hip-hop/rap, and now that will save over here, and if we click on it, it should show up as 100 shots. There, we added info to it. Now let's give it a nice little artwork. I have an image in mind already, so I can just go here and boom, we could give it this little picture. Save. So now that we have that, is now tagged with this. Also, please make sure to have your images cropped to 1:1 ratios. Otherwise, it will not work. You can do this easily just by double clicking, going free, then going square. And that should automatically crop it to a 1:1. Now we're gonna go over here. And then we're gonna click our username. We're gonna go to settings. We're gonna enable show local files. And that should bring up this. Make sure you put only a file you've dumped your song files into, otherwise it will take from all other things it could find an audio track from. I already have 100 shots in here tagged very differently, but now if we open another files tab and then go to our storage and then where our local files are, all we have to do is this: Control C, Control V. It'll put it into there. Now we can close those. Okay, now we can give Spotify a little refresh with their local files. There you go. There we go. And now all we have to do is add to a playlist. And then we will download this onto our phone and I'll show you how it will work. Also, I'm going to be using this file instead of the one that I did earlier, but you'll see that either way, it'll still work on my phone. There's still one more thing that you have to do before you can download your local files here. It's as easy as clicking the little download button like you're downloading any other playlist, and it'll download to your phone. You have to be on the same Wi-Fi network or hotspot as your PC, but the other thing that you need to do is you need to click your profile picture, settings and privacy, and scroll down till you see local files, and then turn that on.